What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 20. It's all about keeping things moving. So imagine this. There's this adventurous stone, always rolling down hills, across rivers and through forests. It never stays in one place for too long. And guess what? It stays clean and shiny because it's always on the move. Now picture another stone. It sits in one spot, never budging an inch. Over time it gets covered in moss, dirt and who knows what. It's like it's wearing a green fuzzy coat. Here's the deal. Being like the rolling stone means you're always learning, growing and experiencing new things. You don't get stuck or bogged down. You stay fresh and open to the world around you. So next time you're feeling stuck, remember the rolling stone. Keep moving, keep exploring and stay moss-free. Because life's an adventure and you're just getting started.